Welcome to How to Use Scrimba Fullstack Full Guide 2025. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Scrimba Fullstack course and how to maximize your learning experience. First things first, let's set up your environment. We will go over the system requirements and the necessary steps to get everything installed. Now that you're set up, let's navigate the Scrimba platform. We'll explore its features and functionalities that are designed for effective learning. What exactly is full-stack development? In this segment, we will cover key concepts and components that make up full stack. Let's dive into the front-end technologies. We'll go through the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and how they come together to create engaging user interfaces. Now onto the back end. We'll introduce you to Node.js and Express, which are essential for building robust web applications. Next, let's talk about databases. We'll provide an overview of database management and dive into MongoDB, an essential tool for full-stack developers. Now let's put everything together by building projects. This step-by-step guide will walk you through creating your first full-stack application. To maximize your learning experience, here are some best practices and resources to keep in mind as you journey through Scrimba. And that brings us to the end of our guide. Remember the key points discussed today and take that leap to start coding. Happy learning!